Merach water rowing machine for home use, finest solid wood row with professional monitor, Bluetooth connected app for immersive rower, newly upgraded seat cushion and 10-minute easy assembly, max 330 pounds, sold by DQS. Discover the Merach water rowing machine, a blend of water and magnetic resistance for a real rowing experience. Handcrafted with high-quality oak wood, it offers smooth and quiet operation. Its unique folding structure allows for easy storage and adjustable length. With the Merach app, set your own fitness routine and transform your body. Experience the auto-adjusting resistance with Merach Go technology, focusing more on your workout. Enjoy the ultimate fitness experience with its ergonomic design and upgraded features. Committed to the environment, this rower uses natural oak wood, ensuring no pollution. Rated 5 stars. Order today for $999.99.